Guys, welcome to IITC channel. In this session we are going to see golden rule of excavation safety. We will see all these following questions, but not limited to. We will see many more things in our presentation. We will understand what do we mean by golden safety rule or golden rules. What do we mean by excavation safety? What do we mean by life-saving rule or rules, hazards and precautions of excavation safety? There are people who are being killed every now and then during excavation, during construction. So we have to be very clear. All the safety rules have to be followed during excavation. Guys, my humble request to you is please subscribe the channel, please press the bell icon so that you can get continuous information, and please share this link to your friends so that he can also get this information. And we are happy to allow you to use this link to train your operation team, maintenance team, safety team, construction team, engineering team, and you can also use this link as a safety moment, and you can also use this link as a toolbox training for your construction team, your construction worker, your construction contractor. Now let us see that what is the golden rule. So guys, the golden rules are nothing but only it is the lesson learned through the series of serious incidents which has resulted into fatality or permanent disability. Ultimately, it has become a best work practices. This is the meaning of golden safety rule. Some companies refer golden safety rule as a life-saving rules. There is no difference between golden safety rule and life-saving rules. Guys, now let us understand the rules related to the excavation safety in terms of golden safety rule. Soil characterization, protected excavation area and correct use of machinery guarantee the worker's safety during excavation. Excavation golden safety rule requires following: an appropriate excavation risk assessment shall be completed and signed by authorized person. This is very important topic. We'll not discuss it in detail, but this point is self-explanatory. A survey of soil characterization and stability shall be conducted by a competent person prior to start excavation and after adverse weather condition. Buried services in the area shall be identified, prominently marked, and if necessary should be isolated before starting the excavation, like electrical cable, like utility wire, like internet cable. Everything has to be identified in advance and has to be isolated or have to be separated in advance before the excavation is starting. All excavations shall be inspected by a competent person prior to entry and before the work starts. This you can also use excavation permit system and confined work permit system together. Excavation clearance certificate and permit to work shall be in place as required. All the excavations shall be effectively shored, sloped, benched, barricaded and signed. When workers are in the trenches, suitable entry and exit points shall be provided, taking into consideration also possible emergency situation. Workers shall not be in the excavation while plants and machineries are operating, specifically when you are moving the heavy vehicle near the excavation area. All the personnel involved in the excavation shall be trained, shall be informed about the hazard, shall be having correct appropriate PPE, shall be knowing what is emergency response and preparedness plan. Protective equipment shall be worn as per appropriate requirement, as per identified in JSA, JRA, risk assessment, HERA, or as per the toolbox training. Excavation worker exposes to the risk of trenches, collapse or excavated material, confined space, hitting energized equipment, being struck by equipment or drop objects. This is very important thing to remember. All the safety rules and requirement during excavation. This is the golden safety rule for excavation. Guys, I am very sure you should be able to answer these questions. If you are not able to answer this question, please rephrase, revisit this session of 5 minutes. You will understand all the questions again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. This was useful for you. And if you have any question, please feel free to put in the comment section so that we can come back to you appropriately ASAP. Guys, with this, thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।